Assalamualaikum, Dr. Shanza Nazish from Pearls of Pediatric. Today I'm going to narrate the history of patient of congenital heart disease, that is the TOF. So I'm going to rephrase the whole history and hopefully it will be helpful for all of you and you can give your suggestions related to improvement in the history in the comment section. So Hashim, that is the son of Aurangzeb, 5.5-year-old child resident near Holy Family Hospital, presented through OPD on 1st Feb 2025 as the follow-up case of congenital heart disease. So this is the demographic detail. Always and always you should know the name of the patient. मरीज़ का नाम क्या है, उसके वालिद का क्या नाम है, ठीक है, वो आपको बताना चाहिए. What is the residency of the child and where he present, either OPD or emergency, और किस तारीख को आया है और क्या था. अब ये जो हमारा पेशेंट है, he is the follow-up case of congenital heart disease. So she is known case of TOF, tetralogy of Fallot, since birth, with good compliance and follow-up. Historian is her mother, and according to her, she is admitted for the cardiac catheterization before the surgery. This is the first day of his admission. Certain lab investigations are sent, but patient attendant is unable to recall the labs result. Patient is currently taking 1/4 of the Indrol, Mytica sachet and iron supplements. Plan to the surgery not yet decided and labs are awaited. So ये जो केस है इसमें पेशेंट ने प्रेजेंट किया है कि वो अपनी सर्जरी करवाने के लिए आए हैं और उससे पहले अभी उसको 1 दिन हुआ है एडमिशन का. ऑल्दो इट इज़ नॉन केस ऑफ टॉफ, तो आपने अपनी उसको इसी तरह से रीफ्रेज करना है कि पेशेंट का जो है वो किस लिए आया है. अगर आपको कोई प्रेजेंटिंग कंप्लेंट मिल जाती है लाइक फीवर कफ, तो तब तो आप उसको एलेबरेट करेंगे. लेकिन अगर आपको वो फीवर कफ और इस तरह की प्रेजेंटिंग कंप्लेंट नहीं मिलती, पेशेंट किसी सर्जरी के लिए आया है, उससे पहले कोई वो अपने टेस्ट वगैरह करवा रहा है या कैथेटराइजेशन वगैरह उसकी हो रही है किसी भी बिफोर द सर्जरी, तो आप ये बताते हैं कि वो नॉन केस है इस चीज़ का और अब वो किस लिए आया है, कैथेटराइजेशन के लिए आया है, कार्डियक कैथेटराइजेशन करवाने के लिए आया है फॉर द सर्जरी. एंड अब यहाँ पे आके कार्डियक कैथेटराइजेशन जो है उससे पहले कौन कौन से टेस्ट करवाए जा रहे हैं और पेशेंट का क्या क्या है. देन यू कैन एलेबरेट सर्टेन इन्वेस्टिगेशंस आर डन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ CBC, एको, चेस्ट एक्सरे. ठीक है, ये लाजमी इसमें पूछना चाहिए जो कि मैंने थोड़ा सा इसमें मिस किया है. और करेंटली पेशेंट को कोई मेडिकेशन दी गई है या अगर वो ले रहा है तो कौन सी मेडिकेशन ले रहा है, और प्लान टू द सर्जरी डिसाइडेड कब होगा और कब नहीं होगा, और पेशेंट की कंडीशन कैसी हैं वो आपने बतानी है. फिर आपने पेशेंट की एक्चुअल हिस्ट्री बतानी है. एक्चुअल हिस्ट्री ऑफ माई पेशेंट डेट्स बैक सिंस बर्थ when he was born with cyanosis that was associated with cardiac defect but not associated with wheezy chest, breathing difficulty, cough, fits. For this complaint, patient was taken to the nursery and he remained admitted in the nursery for the 15 days. First echo was done that shows cardiac defect, but the attendants are unable to recall the exact pathology और exact defect बोल सकते हैं. Patient is managed with in the nursery with oxygen, not being placed on the ventilator. Treatment was given in the form of 1/7th part of Indrol tablet. Parents were counseled that cardiac lesion needed to be corrected by surgery at 6 months of age, and follow-up and monitoring was advised. Patient remained the history of multiple episodes of cyanosis with respiratory with distress during these 6 months. That episodes of cyanosis were managed in the hospital and patient continued to take the tablet Indrol. Angiography was repeated at 5th June 2023, but the surgery was not done at 6 months of life as the patient, as the doctor was not available. There is history of multiple hospital admission with that spell. Currently, patient is again admitted for the surgery. Course of the disease is complicated in the form of recurrent TET spells. There is history of gum bleed, but that is not preceded by trauma, any history of bleeding disorder or history of bleed from the other side, history of any anti-epileptic drug intake, or any significant history of anti-epileptic drug intake, or any history of any blood thinner. There is also history of shortness of the breath that was gradual in onset, observed by the parents for the last 1 month. Initially, that is progressed. Initially, patient was able to walk or can take 10 to 20 steps, but now he is unable to take even 3 to 4 steps. This shortness of breath is not associated with cough or wheezy chest, but associated with the orthopnea or difficulty in lying supine. No history of fits, weakness of any part of the body, history of loose motion, or any history of blood transfusion. There is history of on and off episodes of constipation, but no history of gastric burning or decreased heart rate. Patient is being managed with tablet Inrol 1/7 dose for about 1 year, then followed by the 1/4 dose, and now patient is taking 1/3 strength, 1/3 dose of the Inrol. Follow up and monitoring is advised, initially 1 weekly, then 1 monthly. There is no significant past medical or surgical history. Child belongs to the related parents, second in the among the sibling of 7, with with a history of 1 miscarriage at the 3rd month of age, but no significant history of cyanotic heart disease among the sibling. Birth history already described. Child is immunized till date with no additional vaccination done. Currently, child is taking 500 kilocalories per day. That seems to be below her age. There is history of delayed milestone neck holding at the age of 10 months, sitting at the age of 1 year, and walking at the age of 2 years. Hearing and vision are intact. Patient is able to speak. Socioeconomic history is satisfactory. Father is bearing the whole expense of the family. He is laborer by profession, and disease has impacted the family both socially and psychologically and financially. Patient has decreased activity. Along with the patient has decreased activity, and patient activity is decreased in the form of missing school and active play. Knowledge about the disease is adequate, but their concern related to the expenditure of the surgery and surgical outcome yet needed to be addressed. So, based upon the history, what thing you are going to understand is that first of all you have to ask about the demographic detail, then you have to ask about the presenting complaint, that is the history of the presenting complaint. Patient will give you the history, that either in the form of presenting complaint or either as the follow-up case of some cardiac disease, or like we are basically describing here some cardiac disease. So you have to told that historian is mother, she is educated and according to her or she narrated that. ठीक है, इस तरह से करके आप लोगों ने हिस्ट्री को एक्सप्लेन करना है. होपफुली दिस हिस्ट्री विल बी हेल्पफुल. सो आफ्टर दिस हिस्ट्री you should basically able to take the history of cyanotic heart disease. In the case of your queries or anything which you want to add in the history, it will be helpful for all of us. So kindly give your suggestion in the comment section for the further improvement in the history taking methods. Thank you so much.